I'm going to be answering a couple more questions, which is what time is check-in and check-out? Usually check-in is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon. Yes, I know that's 22 hours, but it's 22 hours because if a guest checks out by 12 noon, right, we would need about 2 hours to 3 hours to tidy up the place for the next guest, and that's why the check-in time is always 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Then why do you collect caution fee deposits? Unlike hotels, for shortlet apartments, there are a lot of equipment and gadgets and things that could be damaged easily. So we collect caution fee deposit in order to put, number one, the guest in check, so that they will have an awareness that there's a money that is with us that would not be refunded if you violate our, be it damage policy or any of our policy regarding smoking, pets, and the rest of it, right? So we would hold that caution fee for the duration of your stay, and when you are out of the apartment, within 24 to 48 hours, the property is checked and is ensured that there was no damage or nothing is missing, or that you do not violate the rules. Part of the rules is smoking. If you need to smoke in an apartment, you would have to give the hosts or your agents, tell them ahead of time, and they will let you know whether you can smoke on the balconies or you're not allowed to smoke. There are properties that are non-smoking properties. So if you go and violate that rule, you will be penalized and your caution fee would have to go for that in most instances. Okay, are parties or events allowed? Some properties allow event, photo shoot, video shoot, content creation and the rest, and also parties, but some units do not allow. Personally, at Shortlets Hub, we only do residential properties. We do not take party bookings, we do not take content creation bookings. No, all our bookings are all residential. You come, stay and go. Is what happens if something gets damaged. If by any chance mistakenly something gets damaged on the property, you would have to pay for what was damaged. So usually you would evaluate what was damaged, tell you the cost. If the cost is within the caution fee you paid, we'll do a deduction and refund you the rest. But if it is more than what you paid, then we'll have to have a conversation of you refunding the amount that of the extra monies that we require to purchase whatever was damaged. The last question is cancellation policy. Yes, cancellation is a big deal. Most people, you cannot wake up one morning and want to cancel your booking. No, there are cancellation policies that guide our bookings, and tomorrow I'll talk about cancellation policies. But for now, yes, it's possible to cancel your booking, but you would be penalized if it is beyond a certain period of time or if it is before or after. So tomorrow we will have that conversation, but for today, let's do with this. All right, bye.